I want to be the fastest in the whole kingdom! Sweet G-O! If I just go a little faster, I can pass them all!
Mama, it's so beautiful here.
Stay close, sweetheart.
Mama, look! The candies sparkle.
Yes, my dear. This place is full of wonder.
Wow! It's glowing!
Careful, sweetheart. Magic reacts to curiosity.
Mama, is this magic?
Yes, my love. A magic that calls to you.
Mama, what is that?
A doorway, my dear. It feels warm.
Mama, I'm floating.
Don't worry, I'm here. When the light candy dimmed, the whole kingdom trembled in darkness. The light candy sleeps beyond the glowing caves. Stay close, my sweet star.
Mama, it's a little scary.
See our reflection? Courage shines from within. The ground feels like clouds. Hold my paw.
We cross slowly.
There it is, the light candy.
Can I touch it now, Mama?
You did it, my love. The kingdom shines again. Today, Candy Kingdom gathers for the sweetest art contest of the year.
Wow, everyone is so good, Mama.
You do not need to be like anyone else, sweetie.
Just be yourself. Maybe I can make something that looks like you. Head a little crooked, dress a little sticky, but I will keep trying.
It may not be perfect, but I can feel every bit of your heart in it.
This is my candy art of my mama. It is wobbly, but it is made from all my love.
In that quiet moment, the kingdom saw more than candy. They saw a little heart shining for her mom. You did not just make art, my love. You made every heart here feel warm. One quiet night, the chocolate forest stopped singing, and Candy Kingdom felt a little too silent.
Mama, the forest feels different tonight.
The forest is not angry, little one. It is just deeply asleep.
Evil the chocolate feels sleepy, Mama.
Hello, Cacao Bear. Can we help you pick those up?
Mama, look! A shiny spoon was hiding under all this cocoa.
That silver spoon keeps our songs awake. I dropped it.
Because one tiny kitten stopped to help, the forest found its song again.
Your kindness and patience woke a whole forest tonight, my brave little heart. Today, Baby Cat will try to be a perfect princess, even if her little heart loves to run and jump instead.
Real princesses do not run. They walk like this all the time. Their dresses are getting dirty, but they look so happy. Now, hold the cup gently, like you are hugging a little bubble. Oh no, I ruined the fancy tea. Just a small spin, my love.
You do not have to whirl like a tornado.
Spinning so much! I cannot see straight. I spill tea, I trip, I spin too much. I am not a real princess, Mama.
Oh, you do not need to be perfect to be loved. A true princess is kind, not flawless. This is the best Candyland ever! Today is the biggest candy race of the year, and Baby Cat wants to win more than anything. I have to win, Mama. I want to be the fastest in the whole kingdom. Race with all your heart, my love. But remember, how you drive matters more than where you finish. 3, 2, 1, S-W-E-E-T-G-O! If I just go a little faster, I can pass them all! My wheels are slipping, I cannot stop! If I go now, I could win. But Marshy might crash. Hold on, Marshy. We can finish the race together. They did not finish first, but they finished together. What a sweet show of heart. That day, Baby Cat learned that the sweetest prize was not the biggest trophy, but the tiny... Once a year, the Candy Wish Tree woke up and promised to hold one wish from every heart that touched its trunk. I wish for mountains of gold candy coins. I wish for mountains of gold candy coins. Everyone has such big wishes. My wish has to be big too, right? You look very serious, my little star. What is your heart whispering tonight? I could wish for a bigger castle, or candy cars, or shiny crowns, but none of them feel right, Mama. You always smile at everyone, even when you are tired from helping the whole kingdom.
I think I know my wish now, Mama. Candy Wish Tree, my wish is simple. Please help Mama Cat always have reasons to smile.
The tree had heard many wishes for gold and castles, but tonight, its brightest light,
The only wish I ever needed was you, my sweet little heart.
when night falls on the chocolate castle, every candy is supposed to rest in its own sweet place.
Half the singing candies are missing.
They slipped away after dark. Maybe they are rebelling.
If the candies ran away, the castle will be sad. I will help catch them, Mama. We will look, my little star, but we will also listen before we judge. Aha! I knew it! They really are running away!
Stop right there, runaway candies! The castle needs you back in your jars! We did not run away to be bad. We just wanted to practice a new song, so your hall would not feel old and boring.
I thought you were being bad, but you were just trying to make everyone happy in your own way.
By morning, the hall did not just sing the old songs.